Video ideas. Think. Think of something. I can't do this anymore. I need a cup of tea. I don't know what to do. I know what to do. It's been so obvious to me this whole time. How didn't I think of that? What am I doing with my life? Q&A. Right, first question. Can you do a split? Don't know one way to find out. No, I can't. Would you rather have an American accent or a British accent? I don't know, just an accent so everyone can speak, I'm fine. How old were you when you learned to ride a bike? I don't know, I still can't now. I'm joking, I was like 4. Have you ever taken karate lessons? The answer to that is no. Do you know who Kermit the Frog is? Yeah, of course I do. Well, who doesn't? What's the first amusement park you've been to? Alton Towers, I think. What language besides your native language would you like to be fluent in? Oh, jeez, I don't even think I said that in English. Korean. Is your father bald? Very. What would your parents have named you if you were the opposite gender? Probably like Jacqueline or something, I don't know. If you have a nickname, what is it? Jax. Who's your favourite person in the world? My dog. Can you whistle? No. Do you sleep with a nightlight? No. Do you eat breakfast every morning? No. How many times have you been to the hospital? Like 6 times. Have you ever seen Finding Nemo? Yes, like loads. Where do you buy your jeans? The corner shop. Do you usually remember your dreams in the morning? No, because I always have nightmares. What flavour tea do you enjoy? This flavour. Yeah. How many pairs of shoes do you currently own? Like 4 pairs. How old were you when you found out Santa wasn't real? Like 11. What's the name of your favourite restaurant? Nando's. Did your mother go to college? I don't know. What would you name your daughter if you had one? Patricia. Right, so that's going to be the end of this video. If you have enjoyed, make sure you do leave a like. Subscribe if you're new. Don't take this one too seriously. But yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video.